This is demonstration on how I am teaching Emacs to recognize commands by speech recognition. In this demonstration I am using this very simple function. It looks simple now when all other functions are ready. This function here is listening and returning the response, recognizing the speech and returning the response. This function here, it is basically returning these commands. For example, if I say previous window, then this function, if it is recognizing by using large language model embeddings, if it is recognizing that I want previous window, it's going to return to me, for example, this text. So I could maybe say, let me go to previous window, and then it's going to say previous window. I can say go back one sentence, and maybe it finds backward sentence because it is semantically correct choice. Now I'm going to demonstrate how it works. Let us invoke the function.
I am going to ask you for speech input, and then speak the result from the database. Say please stop to end the exercise. Please speak your command.
Previous window.
Previous window. Please speak your command.
Go back to previous window.
Previous window. Please speak your command.
Go back one window.
Please speak your command.
Show me window before this one.
Next window. Please speak your command.
Next window.
Next window. Please speak your command.
Open next window.
Next window. Please speak your command.
Switch to next window.
Next window. Please speak your command.
Backward paragraph.
Backward paragraph. Please speak your command.
Backward one page.
Forward page.
Oh, that's mistake.
Please speak your command.
Forward page.
Forward page. Please speak your command.
Let me make a quick task.
New quick task. Please speak your command.
Quick task.
Quick note. Please speak your command.
Let's make a quick task.
New quick task. Please speak your command.
Please stop.
Ending the exercise, thank you.
Now let us try again with some other Emacs commands.
I am going to ask you for speech input, and then speak the result from the database. Say please stop to end the exercise. Please speak your command.
Write the following text.
Write following text. Please speak your command.
Switch to scratch buffer.
Switch to scratch buffer. Please speak your command.
Mark the current sentence.
Mark the current sentence. Please speak your command.
Delete the marked region.
Delete the marked region. Please speak your command.
Give me some news from United States. Thank you.
Show me news in United States at DuckDuckGo. Please speak your command.
MX.
MX. Please speak your command.
Give me my agenda.
Show me my agenda. Please speak your command.
Give me all the hyperdocuments of today.
Show me all hyper documents of today. Please speak your command.
Give me all files which I downloaded yesterday.
Show me all the files downloaded yesterday. Please speak your command.
Show me all pictures in my home directory.
Show me all pictures in my home directory. Please speak your command.
Give me images from my home directory.
Show me all pictures in my home directory. Please speak your command.
Make a new audio note.
Start a new audio note. Please speak your command.
New audio note.
Please speak your command.
Record my speech.
Record my voice note. Please speak your command.
Shut down the computer.
Shut down the computer. Please speak your command.
Close this window.
Close this window. Please speak your command.
Please stop.
Ending the exercise, thank you.
Okay, now we have a little bit more commands. As you see, not every time is very perfect. However, I'm basically teaching Emacs various commands, and then even whatever you see here, it was actually spoken. This was spoken, this was spoken, and this was spoken. So that is the transcript. And you know, this transcript here is basically written by computer, not by me. And then this gets also embeddings, and then computer is comparing by embeddings which command, which spoken command is matching the other text which is in the database. So now that also means that I can now have a few similar commands. Let's say 1, 2, 3. I can say open the doc, give me the doc, search internet, and I could tell to each of them to open the DuckDuckGo. There are different ways how user can say that, and it's important to kind of give to computer that information so that it can match later. So I hope you liked this small demonstration of how I teach Emacs to recognize spoken commands. And this is going to result with some other very good things. For example, telling to Emacs what to do and then recording even without using any keyboard. It's possible to work with computer on distance. Of course, it can work by any way. I can just I have made this enter new task by speaking, and that is already working. I can enter new tasks by speaking into my computer, which is already great. Thanks for watching.